Yeah, it was fun. Yeah,
No, very well to road track.
this was American. The outside of we just had we were watching this. No, they didn't, but they did.
Oh, it sure does. Yeah.
They said that Ford just dropped the bomb.
When you look at this, you know,
La tuve que tomar de ladito para que no fuera
Go ahead and take the turntable. Oh, watch the step. We might just. I'll just do a 3/4 like right this facing this way.
3/4 nose facing right where you are.
Anything else tell you when this? Hey Gary, we have a 3/4 facing like right over here.
Concludes the Ford 2015 North American Motor Show press conference. Fantastic range of vehicles, the technology that's involved, how green these cars are, and the fact that the new Ford GT has got EcoBoost. It sounds fantastic. Behind me you can see Tim getting to work, uploading the video already, and this video is going to be going live as soon as possible. I have failed to connect to Wi-Fi twice on both of my phones, which has been highly annoying. I've had to buy data, which has ran out in the space of 5 minutes, and it's not going too well. Something's going on well up there, but I'm hoping that am able to get Wi-Fi when we head to the main show, which we're going to be doing soon, and then having a look around more of behind the Blue Oval and also some of the other car manufacturers, so stay tuned.